Okay, so this is Lifeboat. I actually haven't really played Lifeboat. I don't know if this is how the lobby was before. I don't think it was, because I think I would have recognized it, since I've probably been in Lifeboat once or twice. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I even made a video on it. Maybe, maybe not. Anyways, I'm literally killing this parkour right now. And you know what I realized? I say anyways so many times. Oh, no. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. Anyways, let's check out the game. Oh, why am I a Steve? Okay, let's see. There's survival games. Zombie apocalypse. Lifeboat city with adopt a pet. Okay, no. Skywars. Oh, I think I kind of... Oh, I remember what this used to look like. Because this dude reminded me. Skywars. Lucky Blocks? Bed Wars. Oh, there's Bed Wars here? Did I know that? I'm pretty sure I knew that. Didn't I play this not too long ago? I'm quite sure I made a Bed Wars video on it, actually. Oh, yeah, I played this one. And I even made... Yeah, I made a video on this not too long ago. Pretty long ago, actually. I can't remember it. Oh, yeah, I was playing this. Oh, my goodness. How can I forget about that? I guess we're playing this again. Oh, this! I literally made a video on it not too long ago. It was literally a few videos back. Oh my god. I have such bad memory. Oh, I'm gonna lose. Why am I doing so good on the parkour? Okay, whatever. Oh, okay. I'm stuck. Man, I accidentally bought glass. I'm in my bed. If you're asking why I'm building like that, that's because it doesn't allow me to build straight onto the bed. Oh my goodness. Oh, I almost fell in that. Where's the other one? Oh, there's only two? That's weird. Let's go back. Oh, man, that's so helpful. Oh, I thought someone was at my base. Wow, right as I come over. Thank you for that. I don't think anyone's been to mid besides me. Damn. Okay, I guess I'll do some attacking of some people. Got a bow, but I cannot do anything with it. I bought a stick. I don't know why, but I decided it's a good choice. Okay. No! Crap! Oh, I literally just bought all that stuff. Why is everyone going for me? Come on. Why am I suddenly being so attacked? I'm so confused. Why me, bro? I was literally just doing so good. Anyways, magenta. That's who I'll go for. Yeah, jump into the void. Bro, come on. Oh, I accidentally crouched, so now he thinks we're teaming, but I attacked him. Let's do capture the flag. Oh, no, actually, I don't like... What the? Capture the wall? No. I don't like the games, the capture the flag game here. I literally raged so bad in one video that I couldn't even post it. Actually, I didn't post it because of something else, but yeah. Anyways, what is this game? I have no idea how to play. Are we just killing? Okay, so one shot. Damn, imagine if I hit him. Oh, I think I know this game. I played it on the practice server. Something similar, at least. Oh, nice. Oh, crap. Oh, man. Damn, he left last minute. Bro, bows, I can't. Come on, why? You got no arrows. Oh, crap. You missed. Oh, man, stole my... Come on, bro. This game's gonna make me rage quit. It's the bow. Skill issues equal rage. Nice. Crap. Okay, it's all about bowing. Oh, come on. How'd I do so bad on that? Oh, no way I got that. I'm so low. Oh my goodness. I rage quit. After this one, I quit. Oh my goodness. I accidentally used my bow. Oh man. There we go. Nice. Damn it. I missed. And he missed too, which was good. The way I missed though. Nice. You know, I've got to pull out my sword just in case. Oh. Oh. Damn it. Oh. Oh crap, I was crouching. I always accidentally crouch. Anyways, I guess that will be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Okay. Bye.